Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome opening unwanted sites in new tab automatically. So for this you will need to remove all the extensions in your Chrome. For that, click on these three dots in the right corner and go to extensions. Here click on manage extensions and remove all these extensions one by one. So after that, click on this three dots again and go to settings. Here you will see an option reset settings in the left side of your screen. Click on that and click on restore settings to their original defaults. Click on reset settings, and after your reset is done, restart your Chrome browser and your Chrome browser will no longer open unwanted sites in new tab. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.